sign.
Oh, yeah, I didn't see, yeah.
That's good, right?
Yeah.
You should know, right?
Hard to see.
You're smart enough. So you should,
Maybe it'll slow to react, but maybe he'll figure it out.
yeah, I not go straight.
Yeah.
Sales projections. A new survey by the Footwear Distributors and Retailers of America, representing nearly 500 companies that make or sell shoes, finds 87% expect weaker sales over the next 6 months. This week we found out that Elon Musk is father to 8-month-old twins born to a senior executive as an artificial intelligence startup Neuralink. He also plans to increase child care benefits at his companies significantly, including Tesla, and if he takes it over, Twitter. And he says in a tweet today that hopefully other companies will do the same. Wall Street indexes are moderately higher after today's better than expected news on jobs, 372,000 positions added to payrolls in June. Here in the final trading hour, the Dow up 40, Nasdaq up 10, S&P 500 rising 4. Bloomberg Money Watch at 26 and 56 past every hour. I'm Andrew O'Day.
Look at that. The rain clouds. Before nothing. Yeah, move this way, yeah. See a little bit later. Yeah, before the wind was that way too, yeah.
And take on even more adventures with your BMW X5 and its ample
6?
all year here.
Oh, keep changing, you know.
Yeah, keep changing.
And right now, the less wind now.
BMW, the ultimate drive.
Last week is
Stay here.
stay here. Yeah.
The following is a commercial announcement.
It's a little bit far, right?
Hearing the songs you love on local radio with no subscriptions and no monthly fees. But there's a new bill in Congress that could stop the music. If passed,
But
this bill would
going
tax
back
your
is no
local
good,
radio
right?
station simply to play the music you love.
Yeah.
Text local to 52886 and ask Congress to support local radio stations. Help us keep you connected to the music, local news, weather, and traffic that you need each day. This message furnished by the National Association of Broadcasters. Attention all business owners who rent or lease space, including storage space. Stop wasting your money paying someone else for your space. You can now save a ton of money and own your own building with the incredible sale prices from General Steel. That's right, start saving money every month on renting space from others. Just call 877-25-STEEL to see how General Steel can help you save money. Our 50-year structural warranty buildings are custom designed for your needs and save you a ton of money. Call 877-25-STEEL. Take it from a successful entrepreneur. If you need to expand or start a new business, you need General Steel. Great team and the competitive pricing is the reason I went with General Steel. Call 877-25-STEEL now, and you can get any of our popular quick construction structures, including a 40 by 60 foot building or a 50 by 100 clear span building fast and easy. Call 877-25-STEEL. That's 877-257-8335. 877-25-STEEL.
Do you struggle with occasional nerve aches in your hands or feet? Try Nervive Nerve Relief. Nervive contains B-complex vitamins and alpha-lipoic acid to relieve nerve aches, weakness, and discomfort. Learn more at nervivehealth.com.
1010 wins AccuWeather. We got drive time traffic. We do it every 15 minutes right here on Bloomberg Radio. Ed Kalegi, we go down to New Jersey and Route 80. What's it looking like?
280 westbound coming in by Route 15 in Morton. There was a crash. Two left lanes are blocked, and it's a pretty heavy ride. 35 minutes coming over from exit 39 over in Denville. 78 eastbound. Word of an accident now in Basking Ridge at exit 33. 2 lanes blocked there. Delays quickly building back from 287 outbound Holland Falls at 40 minutes. 20 in from 1 to 9. Lincoln Tunnel, 30 minutes out, 15 minutes in. George Washington Bridge, once you get there, it's already a bit slow in the span. And getting there, it's a very heavy ride both sides of town, all the way on up. Out to Queens we go. Eastbound, the Grand Central Parkway is a very heavy ride right now between Jewel Avenue and towards the area of Union Turnpike. Staten Island Expressway westbound, already a very heavy half-hour ride coming off the Verrazano Bridge out towards exit 7 over at Richmond Avenue. Bloomberg 1130 3-day weather forecast. The rest of today, freezing clouds, high 85 to 90. Tonight, cloudy, a shower possible, low near 70. Saturday, a morning shower, and partly sunny, 80 to 85. And Sunday, sunshine, high again, 80 to 85. Right now, mostly cloudy in New York. We're at 82 degrees. With the best ride in and out of the city, I'm at Kalegi. Bloomberg 1130. Bloomberg Business Week continues.